Hi, I am Chokhavatia from Chokhavatia Associates. Chokhavatia Associates is a service provider in the water industries. We are providing the solutions from concept to commissioning for the wastewater treatment plants. We have carried out more than 1,000 effluent treatment plants, and we are providing the services in India as well as outside India. With the total experience of 40 years, we have gathered the exposures to most of the problems that are being faced by the industries in complying their norms with the environmental statutory authorities. The treatment plants that we have done is for almost all type of industries, and we have covered dairy industries, pharmaceutical industries, ceramic industries, solvent oil extraction industries, mining industries, sugar industries, soft drink industries, and so on. Besides the industrial sector, we are also active in giving the services to the local authorities as well as to associations who are putting up the common effluent treatment facilities. In last 40 years, not only the design, but we have also excelled in providing the services for the plant operations. It has been our motto that whenever we take up any assignment for effluent treatment plants and when we put up the plants, we are operating the plants minimum for a period of 6 months, and if the industry accepts, then we continue our services. The maximum duration that we have been associated with any client is for 38 years. The operational experience of the effluent treatment plants have given the exposures that very few consultants have it, as the designing and detail engineering along with the operational aspects, it gives a perfect combination for management of wastewater treatment plants. The treatment plants that we have designed are having almost all type of processes, and mainly our concentration is for activator sludge process. We have put up the anaerobic systems also, and we have operated the same. The operational experience of activator sludge process has given us broad understanding and deep understanding of the subject, and also gave us the insight that which part or which point is to be considered in the process so that you have minimum problems during the operations. We are also operating the effluent treatment plants which are designed by our professional colleagues practicing in the same field, and this has given us an edge over the others, that we know that which are the areas that has been overlooked. So the mistakes that which people are making has to be always avoided when you take up the design and operating the same and showing the performance to the clients. We have also put up the anaerobic digestion systems for domestic sewage as well as for the industrial effluents. In dairy industry, we have been successful of demonstrating that chemically enhanced primary treated sludge mixed with the waste activated sludge becomes a very good source for generating biogas, which can then be used for the domestic purpose. The anaerobic digestion systems that we have put is for the gas mixing as well as pump recirculation. We have also undertaken design and operation of anaerobic upflow reactors. The starch industries, the typical problem with their steep liquor is to dispose the same, and almost all places the starch effluent, the mother liquor, steep mother liquor is being treated with anaerobic reactors. We observed that during the anaerobic treatment, the ammonical nitrogen increases substantially and it goes at very high levels. So, for the effluents coming out of the upflow anaerobic reactors require treatment mainly for the ammonical nitrogen, and we have successfully demonstrated that such a effluent can be treated with nitrification and denitrification system and achieving the desired norms for the ammonia. The other aspects are for the industries where we are working, having a implementation of their products in such a way that their production varies as per the market demands. Generally, for the dairy industry or for a soft drink industry, the production demand fluctuates as per the seasons. In summer, the soft drink industry's demand is very high, whereas the dairy has a lean season. Opposite to the same, the dairy industry is having high production schedules during winter months where the milk receiving is high and the demand for the soft drink reduces substantially. In such cases, to absorb the market fluctuations or the production fluctuations, we have developed a biological system which can be operated in a different modes of activated sludge process. It can be operated either as a conventional systems or complete mix systems or high rate systems or contact stabilization systems or step aeration systems. And this system which we have developed and implemented at many clients in India and outside India, we have been successful in reducing the power requirement for their productions and reducing their operating cost. As we are working in the water sector, we have also put up water treatment plants as well as also undertaking the assignments for the stormwater management. For the stormwater management, we have been successful in implementing the proper management systems or handling of the stormwater runoffs for the industries within their premises, or if the industry is facing the problems due to the runoff from the catchment area, we have been successful in identifying the problems and giving them the solutions which can be taken up and which help them to get rid of their problems of waterlogging in their premises. Recently, we have carried out the assignment of preparation of detailed project report for our client who are having 3 numbers of common effluent treatment plants within an area of 20 kilometers and collecting the same and conveying it to the deep sea disposal systems. The total length of conveyance of the effluents onshore is 135 kilometers, and then 10 kilometers there is a offshore for deep sea disposal systems. This project we have successfully completed in association with our professional associate who is expert in oceanographic studies. This project has been submitted to the government and government has approved the same, and which is right now under the implementation stage. Our other area of expertise also include the water management. From the intake structures for drawing the raw water to the water collection and then putting up the water treatment plants and distribution systems. For industrial effluents, we are also putting up the water recycling projects whereby the treated effluent is being reused and then recycled back to their either cooling purpose or for the boiler applications or even for the process applications if the water intake quality requirements are not stringent for them. Thus, we are covering the entire water spectrum for Chokhavatia Associates. We have many testimonials given to us by our clients, but the biggest testimonials that we have is the satisfaction of our clients who are giving us the repeated projects and even remembering us after a span of 10 years to 15 years and assigning their new projects and trusting us that they will not have any issues in their environmental control compliance systems. We at Chokhavatia Associates are ISO 9001 certified company, and we have our site where you can visit us at www.chokhavatia.com. We'll be glad to share with you any experience that you want to get it from us, as well as any details related to your projects or any details of our systems and plant performance of our past clients. Thank you.